Have you ever weighed an item twice only to receive two radically different results? If your digital scale is displaying different readings, let's take a look at a list of explanations. One of the most common culprits for inconsistent readings is an improperly calibrated scale. If you suspect that your scale is not accurate, it may need to be calibrated. Complete a calibration per your scale's guide. Recheck to see if the issue is resolved. When a scale is used on an uneven surface, it can cause the scale to give inaccurate readings. This is because the load is not acting directly on the load cell. Use adjustable feet to level the scale or move to an even surface for proper weighing. An unbalanced load occurs when the load is shifted too far to one side or corner of the platform, or if the load is shifting during the weighing process. This prevents the scale from providing a reliable weight reading. Be sure to center the load on the weighing surface as much as possible. Allow the load to stop shifting, like sloshing of liquids, before taking a final weight. A bad power supply or low battery can reduce performance, much like a smartphone or other electronic devices when their power is low. Verify your power supply is in good working order. Recharge or replace low batteries. Once complete, recheck the scale. Moisture is an enemy of electronics. Moisture in the indicator, junction box, load cell, or other internal components is sure to cause erratic readings and potentially failure. Disconnect power and dry out the scale. As long as there isn't permanent damage, the scale should return to normal operating condition. Debris, gunk, or dirt can cause fluctuating readings. This is because buildup can create a bind, which the load cell inaccurately detects as a load. Keep your scale clean and free from debris, especially under the weighing surface and around the load cell. Precision and analytical balances are so sensitive, they can be affected by air movement and vibration. Even drafts from air vents or vibrations from machinery in other rooms can cause inconsistent results. Move high-precision balances away from sources of drafts or air movement. Reduce the effects of vibrations by using an anti-vibration table and avoid use near heavy machinery. Damage to the internal components or structure of a scale will impact performance, especially if the load cell is affected. The leading cause of load cell damage is overloading. Never go over the rated capacity of your scale. Just like any precision instrument, always handle them with care. Do not drop and try to avoid jarring impacts. A digital scale can give inaccurate readings if it's exposed to extreme heat or cold. Performance can also be impacted when there is a sudden temperature change. Use the scale in an appropriate environment as recommended by the manufacturer. Avoid extreme temperature fluctuations. If moving from a cooler to warmer area, allow the scale time to warm up.